All right, I've got an annoying DIY crime I wanted to share with you. I just put in this vinyl flooring and everything turned out pretty well. I'm putting the baseboards on right now, but I wanted to share this with you. You can laugh and judge all you want. You're supposed to leave a little bit of a gap, a quarter or so of an inch between the wall and the edge here that allows the floor to float back and forth. And I essentially did that well on all sides except for this wall right here. Now this is a laundry room, so not a huge deal. But you can see I'm significantly, there's a gap here because when you put the baseboard on, look at this. You can see the exposed underlayment here, which is so annoying. Most of it's good, but this is such a DIY goof. I'm just off a little bit, and the reasoning is when I put it in, it looked good, but there's a lot of, using this tool to kind of move it and lock it into place, and it must have shifted this down a little bit. So I'm a little annoyed. I'm gonna have to DIY fix that, but I wanted to share this DIY crime with y'all.